Hello students, welcome back to your computer online class. So students, we was in your chapter number 5 and the name of the chapter was More KTurtle Commands. So students, in my last class I have explained you all about message and asks, as well as I have explained you about containers and the types of containers. Is not it? Types means the one is your variable and another is your string. So regarding my last day's class, I think so no one has any sort of doubt. So we can proceed to the next topic, that is your pen up and pen down. You will get this pen up and pen down in your page number 56. Okay. Now students, you look at page number 56 in the paragraph of pen up and pen down. Do you know how the turtle draws line when you gives it a command? The turtle has a pen which enables it to draw while moving, but the turtle can also move around without drawing any line. Now here, as I have said to you, this turtle acts as a pen in our computer. This turtle acts as a pen in our computer, which helps to draw as well as to move. Okay, which helps for drawing, painting, whatever. But the turtle can also move around without drawing any line. Here you can say the head of the turtle can move fully 360 degree. Okay, here the head of the turtle can move fully 360 degree. 360 degree, it means the entire circle it can move. Okay, it can move the entire circle. In one round it can give its move without drawing any sort of line. Clear? Here the turtle can move freely without drawing any sort of line. Clear? Then students, you see, pen up or PU is the command used to move the turtle to any part of the screen without drawing a line. It is useful when you want to leave a gap. Or gaps in the drawing. Now this pen up, firstly it helps the turtle to move very freely on the screen. Moreover, if we want to keep any sort of gap, in between the drawing, that one also you can do with the help of your pen up. In short, you can say this one is PU. Clear this much students? In short, we can say as your PU command. Pen up, in short, you can say as your PU command, which helps in drawing line, moreover by keeping a gap in between the drawings. But what should you do if you want the turtle to draw again? The pen down or PD command is used to continue the drawing, which will help you understand the pen up and the pen down commands. This figure 5.4 will give us the exact knowledge. Okay, wait, I will show you, but before showing you the diagram, let me say about pen down. This pen down is denoted as your PD. The short form of your pen down is your PD command. Clear this much? I think so this much is clear to everyone. Then whenever we want to leave the drawing, okay, or whenever you want to, you can say, you have finished one drawing, now you want to continue for the another drawing. Okay, you have finished the first drawing and you want to go for another drawing. Okay, then at that time you can go for your pen down command. Means one drawing is over, now you want to move to the another drawing. Okay, you want to continue it in the same page, but you want to make make another drawing. At that time we will go for your pen down command. Clear? Means in one page you want to draw another drawing. Okay, one is completed, one diagram is completed. Now you want to move to another drawing. That one you will go for your pen down command. Clear? Then students, you see the picture figure 5.4. Number A, you see FW means forward 50. The turtles draw a line of 50 units. Here you can see the turtle head is at the top and it will move 50 steps forward. It will move 50 steps forward. Then come to number B, PU command, pen up. The pen is lifted up using the PU command. Means here in the pen up command, now your turtle is ready for your drawing or for your lifting the pen. Then you come to number C, FW30. Here the turtle is about to move 30 steps forward by drawing a line. By drawing a straight line, the turtle is about to move 30 steps forward. Then number D, PD. Here PD is pen down. Okay, the PD is used as your pen down. So here you see the pen is made active by using the command. Means one diagram is over, now you want to continue for the another diagram. At that time you can say PD command to move for the another part of the drawing. Then you come to number E. E is your FW40, means the turtle wants to move forward 40 steps. Clear? This 5 are clear to you, FW50, PU, FW30, PD and FW40. This much is clear to everyone. Then students, we will move to the next part of page number 57. That is your repeat. Okay, that is your repeat. Page number 57, repeat. If you type and execute the set of commands shown in the editor pane, you will set a square. But did you notice that in this example, there are only 2 commands that have been repeated 4 times? To avoid such repetition, KTurtle provides us with the repeat command. The repeat command reduces the number of lines of commands you need to write in order to draw. Using the repeat command, the command to draw a square therefore becomes repeat forward FW100 TR90. Now you will find that in figure 5.5. Okay, have you seen that some of the commands are repeated again and again? FW, again you will get FW, again you will get FW100, FW100. In figure 5.5 you see, okay, in the left corner. 5.5 in the picture you have seen there, editor pane. At the down of your editor pane, 1 you will see FW100, TR90, 3 FW100, again number 4 is your TR90. Like this way you will find that this FW command has been repeated how many times? Once, twice, third, fourth. FW command has been repeated 4 times. There, have you seen this picture? Then again TR you see how many times it is repeated. TR command is also repeated 4 times. So as this FW and TR command has been repeated 4 times, so what we can write here? Look at here. Repeat 4 FW100 TR90 means as this particular FW and forward, okay, FW forward command and TR turn right command has been repeated 4 times. That's why we have written here repeat 4. Okay, as FW100 and TR90 has been repeated 4 times. That's why you have given here what? Repeat 4 FW100 TR90. This much is clear to you? No doubts regarding this? Repeat command. I am saying you the function of repeat command is not here properly in your book. You listen very carefully. Repeat command is a command that helps a command or helps a turtle to be repeated a number of times. Clear? Repeat command is a command which helps a turtle to repeat number of times. Clear? Understood this much? So here SFW and TR has been repeated 4 times. That's why you have written here in the book, you see nicely. Is written there repeat 4 inside the bracket FW 100 TR 90. Clear? FW means here the turtle is going to move forward 100 steps, and TR 90, which it means that now the turtle is about to turn right. Okay, now the turtle is about to turn right 90 steps. Clear this much? Clear this much? So students, today I have explained you about pen up and pen down commands and repeat command. So, how much I have explained you go through it very properly, nicely. In my next class, I will explain you about how we can draw polygons and circle. Clear? Today, you go through this pen up, pen down, okay, PUPD. And repeat command. In my next class, I will explain you about what? Drawing, how we can draw polygon and circles. Clear? No doubt? So, students, now I am concluding my class here. Thank you to all and have a nice day ahead.